tech challenges specific to Northeast Ohio manufacturing and professional services. Every industry has its tech headaches, but manufacturing and professional services face some of the toughest, especially when it comes to balancing security, efficiency, and day-to-day operations. These challenges aren't just IT problems. They impact productivity, profitability, and your ability to compete. Manufacturing often feels like a time machine. You've got a decade-old CNC machine on the side of the shop and the latest production scheduling software on the other. Getting them to play nicely? That's tricky. Legacy equipment wasn't built with cybersecurity in mind. Production systems and ERP software often speak different languages. Every minute of downtime costs money. Cybercriminals know this, which makes industrial control systems tempting targets. So what helps? Isolate older machines from critical systems with industrial firewalls and network segmentation. Use integration tools that act as translators between old equipment and modern software. Schedule preventative maintenance windows to patch and test connected devices. And set up real-time monitoring so you catch performance issues before they become outages. Professional services have a different challenge. Law firms, accounting offices, consultants, marketers, their product is information. That means security and reliability are everything. One breach can ruin your reputation. Teams need secure remote access. Collaboration gets messy when multiple people edit the same document. And if systems crash before a deadline, you could lose the client. Solutions here include encrypted cloud storage with role-based permissions, multi-factor authentication for every login, and standardizing on one collaboration platform like Microsoft 365. Automatic backups that run multiple times a day are a lifesaver when something goes wrong. Both industries share common pain points too. Cybersecurity threats like phishing and ransomware hit everyone. The fix? Regular employee training, phishing simulations, and up-to-date security software. Software overload is another big one. Too many disconnected apps waste time. Audit your tools, consolidate where possible, and integrate the rest. Skill gaps matter too. Technology is only as good as the people using it, so keep training simple and ongoing. And scalability? Choose cloud-based services that can flex up or down as your business changes. At the end of the day, technology should do three things: protect your data, keep your team productive, and adapt as your needs change. The fastest way to get there? Audit your systems, fix the security gaps, standardize your tools, and train your people. It's not about buying the newest thing. It's about making the tech you already have work harder for you. To learn more about tailored IT services for your business, contact us today for a free IT assessment. If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.